Hi, my name is Marley Paulson. I'm a new mom who loves helping women, especially other moms, maybe in the trenches of pregnancy or postpartum, feel good again. And today we're talking about gut health. If you've ever felt frustrated that you're constantly bloated or your skin is acting up or you're getting sick all the time, even though you feel like you eat healthy or take care of your health, I want you to hear this. It might not be stress or your hormones or even your schedule. It might be your gut. As a new mom, I thought maybe this is just my new normal. Maybe not feeling like myself or my skin going crazy or constantly feeling bloated. Maybe this is just how I'm gonna feel from now on. It wasn't until I learned about the gut-brain connection that things started to make sense. Your gut is not just for digestion. Actually, 70 to 80% of your immune system is found in your gut. Your gut actually makes 90% of your serotonin, which is your feel-good hormone. It affects your mood, your sleep, your cravings. So if your gut is out of balance, you're gonna feel it. Mentally, emotionally, physically. It can even show up as inflammation, fatigue, autoimmune issues, or weight that you just can't seem to lose. So here's what made it click for me. Your gut is like your second brain. And when your second brain is stressed or overwhelmed or undernourished, everything else is off too. I was tired of feeling like this was my new normal. So I wanted to try something. And so that is why I tried PB Restore. So this is doTERRA's time-released probiotic. Why this is different is it actually gets where it needs to go. A lot of probiotics get destroyed in stomach acid before they reach the gut. This one is double encapsulated, so it actually gets there and it works. When I decided to pair this with the rest of the foundational wellness bundle, it felt like my body finally felt like mine again. My skin has calmed down, I feel emotionally balanced, and I am definitely not bloated all the time anymore. It took a little bit of time, I had to take it consistently, but I genuinely have seen differences in my health. So if you're using the wellness bundle, amazing. But if you're not, no worries. We've got some other simple options in the challenge guide listed under Fuel Your Cells. You don't need to do it perfectly, you just need to pick something and do it consistently. And the more that I've learned about gut health, the more I've realized that the symptoms of these things are commonly treated with medication. So things like low mood or anxious feelings may actually be connected to nutritional deficiencies or poor gut health. But I am not saying that supplements replace medical care. What I am saying is that for many people, addressing the root of the problem, like starting with the gut, a really amazing first step that often is overlooked. And if you want to go deeper and have more questions about what I'm using and why it works, come to one of our Wellness Made Simple workshops. You can join live and ask questions and we can answer them for you. We'll explain it really simply so you can understand what exactly your body needs and what's actually worth your time. You are not supposed to feel puffy or bloated or anxious all the time. That is not your normal, and your gut is trying to get your attention. And this challenge is your chance to finally listen. This is not just about digestion. This is about healing from the inside out so you can feel like yourself again. And stick with us because coming up, we're going to be talking about how moving for just 10 minutes a day can literally act like medicine. So you definitely don't want to miss that. If you've started PB Restore or have a gut health win, share it in the group, or maybe tag a friend who's struggling and needs to hear this.